Okay guys, so this is question 2. A few ways of doing this. I'll show you the way I like to do it. But there was a few ways of doing it, and that's perfectly fine as well. If you can't read it, it's a half in brackets 7x minus 2 plus 5 equals 2x plus 7. And we're asked to solve the equations. We're asked to find out what x is. Some of you would have just divided the half into this and you would have got 3.5x minus 2. That's fine, okay, it's fine. Some of you would have done a few different things. Me personally would do this. Okay, so we'd have, let's write it out again. Okay, and my thinking is if I can get this 5 over here, and the reason I get the 5 over is just so I'll have something simple here to multiply by 2. The reason I'm multiplying by 2 is to get rid of the half. Okay, I don't like the half here. If I can multiply this side by 2, I get rid of the half. Now if I take the 5 over, it just saves me multiplying this by 2 as well. So if I bring the 5 over, I'll be left with a half 7x minus 2. Okay, and 2x plus 7, and again I bring over the 5, so I have minus 5. And I'll just write that out a bit more simple. That equals 2x, and then 7 minus 5 plus 2. Now if I multiply this side by 2, I can get rid of the half. If I multiply this side by 2, I also have to multiply this side by 2. So this multiplied by 2 will just give me 7x minus 2. Then this side by 2 will give me 4x plus 4. I'll have my numbers on this side, so 7x, and then bring the 4x across, so 7x, bring the 4x across, minus 4x equals, then you have your 4 on this side, bring the minus 2 across, it becomes plus 2. 7x minus 4x is 3x equals 4 plus 2 is 6. So divide by 3 on both sides and we get x equals 2. Okay, so a nice handy one to start off with. This one now. So solve the equation and give your answer to one decimal place. So it's solve. So we want to find out what x is. So you might remember with these type of fraction equations, if they ask you to solve, that means we can actually get rid of the bottom line after step 2. Okay, but here's how we'd start. So we look at our three denominators and we think, well, what's the common denominator in all these? So the common denominator is 3x minus 4 multiplied by 2x plus 1 multiplied by 2. And what I ask myself then is, what do I have to multiply this by to get this? So what do I have to multiply this by to get all of this? And the answer is this and this. So I will have my 2 on top, and then that would be multiplied by 2x plus 1 and also 2 minus, because this is a minus, what do I have to multiply this by to get this? Well, the answer is this and this. So I already have a 1, and I have to multiply this by this and this to get this. So 3x minus 4, which is this, and 2. Okay. Equals, and now what do I have to multiply the 2 by to get this? Well, the answer is this and this. So we've 1, and then 3x minus 4, 2x plus 1. Okay, now they're all over the same denominator, so I can get rid of that. So I'm going to write this out without the denominator. Okay. And from here on in, it's just a bit of simplifying and multiplying out brackets. So 2 by 2, 2 by that. So 2 by 2x is 4x, 2 by 1 plus 2 Okay, and then the 2 is still there. Minus 1 multiplied by 3x is minus 3x, I'll give it in brackets, minus 3x, sorry, might we leave that? Actually, we won't, we'll do this. So minus 1 multiplied by 3x is minus 3x, minus 1 multiplied by minus 4 is plus 4, and we have our 2 outside. Equals 1 multiplied by 3x is 3x,